very much lucky enough. I have three beautiful ladies in my house. One is my mother, second is my wife, and third one, the luckiest one, is my daughter. So jenna तुझ्या घरान तीग जण strong pillars तुझ्याकडे आसा, fourth one you just have to drag your life very happily. So my father is a businessman who has been like little elder age now, but he's at home only. My elder brother is a film director by profession, and my second brother who is also into a private business, and third one is by profession lawyer. I am the fourth one who was initially a banker, but in the sense started with a private bank, and after that I realized the things which is going with Goa is not proper, because what I believe in happy living is you should be happy within. So what I found is, the things which is going against Goa and against Goa nature is basically this 10 years, whatever projects are coming in Goa is anti-Goa. Like if you consider there is a coal project, core corridor which they are trying to do. Then if you look at the Save Mole project, which are against Goans, and I feel it like somebody has to stop this. Somewhere there should be a break for these three linear projects. So then I understood very well, just somebody is doing it and you just standing opposite it and trying to oppose it, it doesn't work out like that. So then you have to be a very active part into politics. That's how I am into politics, dragged into politics. But now we have to be strong enough into politics, because if you have to stop this all three major projects or whatever destruction is happening in Goa, then you have to go very strong enough. The strong enough when you will become when you are active into politics. माझे basically plan जे असतले, suppose if I got elected or if I contest this election, so basic I will stop this construction destruction जे चालू आसा पळय entire मुर्मुगांव कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, म्हणजे व्हडले व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट्स बांधतात आणि ताचेर हे जे लोकल MLAs जे आसा पळय पयलींचे पास्ट MLAs ते पयशे करतात. So this I will try to stop, and maximum what I will work out on this garbage plant, because this could be a priority for entire Murmugaon people, because entire 4 constituency or 3 constituency the कचरो जो आसा तो Murmugaon constituency येता, which we need to have a very good segregated plan for Murmugaon, and this could solve major problem. And other way, if you think how to generate employment and all, I will try to focus on most of the beautiful sunset points are here. There are 2-3 sunset points are there. There is a Japanese garden there is a pilot point there is a sunset point here. So this point can be developed into touristic culture, wherein the people of entire Goa will come here to develop this as a touristic place, and then automatic that income will also generate for the localites. I've been working, मैं 10 साल से almost activism में हूँ, and we have been always a part of Save Goa, Save Mole, Save our rights, our river, our rights. ये सब में part होने के बाद, then I've understood one thing: you cannot be away from the politics, because अगर आपको कुछ change करना है तो you have to be a part of the politics. You cannot just stand outside, और जब कुछ गलत हो रहा है you cannot just oppose it. If you want to change the system, you have to go into politics and you have to change the entire projection. Options खूप असलेले. Being a Goenkar, I was always loved to be with a local party, but what I've understood is in the local party remains in only house. Looking at national parties, there is a BJP, there is a INC, but we have already tried INC, what they have done. We have already tried BJP, what they have done. Why TMC? This is the answer itself. When we have tried this all three stuff, then there is an option only which comes to Goa for a clean governance would be a TMC. You cannot believe in God unless you believe in yourself. This line is very inspiring for me by Swami Vivekananda. So why I am saying this, you have to believe in yourself. What you can yourself can bring a change in the society. I would love to ask entire Goans to join TMC and give us a good mandate that will serve the Goans for the best.